Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the MyQ app. So it's this blue app right over here. So if you're looking how to use the MyQ app, then this video is for you. I've been using it for quite some time now, so I'm pretty familiar with the basics. But in order to start off, let's first go into the App Store and you're going to go and search up MyQ. So it's going to be this app right here that's a blue icon. And then you're going to go ahead and open it, create an account, and then go ahead and log in. Now, if needed, go ahead and update the MyQ app. But once it's updated, you should be able to go ahead and open it up and log in. Now with the MyQ app, this functions basically as a garage opener for my case. So this is where you're going to see your devices. But if you don't have a device yet, in order to add a device, you're going to click on the gear icon on the top right. You're going to click on Add Devices, then click on Add New Device, which is located right over here. And then you're going to select which device you want to go ahead and add, whether it's a garage opener, smart lock, doorbell, camera, accessory, thermostat, smart garage hub. So click on whichever device you want to go ahead, and then that is going to go ahead and show you on-screen prompts. So with those on-screen prompts, just go ahead and follow the directions. And then once your garage, for example, is added, if you click on this button here, that is going to go ahead and open and close your garage. So you could actually invite someone to your MyQ app by clicking on the left-hand side. You can see all the different homes that you have here. Sorry, to invite someone, you can click on the gear icon, then click on users and credentials over here. And then from here, you're going to click on add user. So this is where you can go ahead and add a co-owner or add a household user to your MyQ app. So with co-owners or other users of the MyQ app, they'll have access to your garage and be able to open and close it as well. The main function of the MyQ app is usually just this button here to open and close your garage. But towards the bottom, you also have a history. So you can see who's accessed your garage, when it was opened, when it was last closed, who it was opened by it as well. The Discover app down here, this just shows different apps. I don't really use this all too much. It's more like deals and savings on different MyQ products. Same thing with the shop page as well. If you wanted to, you can actually buy some different MyQ products from here as well. Now, the menu option, I don't use this all too much, but you can see your invitations if you've been invited to other people's MyQ garage or products. Users or credentials, this is the same option before in terms of being able to invite someone. You can add an Amazon key here as well. So with this Amazon key, Amazon can actually do in-garage deliveries if you connect it to the MyQ app. But that's pretty much it though as far as how to use the MyQ app. Last but not least, you have the sign out button. But overall, I'd say with the MyQ app, it's going to be really easy to go ahead and just control your garage opener from your mobile device. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know to go ahead and use the MyQ app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually use it, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.